To sa habit na nabuild ko as someone na full-time employee navigating his life's journey. I started with 25 peso na notebook lang, simpleng design, walang template, pero doon ko unang nailabas lahat ng overthinking ko. And ngayon, meron akong 5 different notebooks. Back then, wala talaga akong idea paano ba mag-journal, like ano ba yung instructions, or paano ba yung tamang pag-journal. All I know lang is, journal is something like a diary na everyday isusulat mo yung mga nangyari sa araw na yon. And ngayon, na more than 365 days ko na siyang ina-apply, na-realize ko na di lang pala siya basta journal at wala pala siyang instructions. Ikaw yung mismong gagawa ng setup ng journal mo. Ito yung isa sa mga journal ko, daily and weekly planner. Dito ko nilalagay yung 3 things to be grateful for. And ito naman yung isa, things I wanted to share but never did. Sometimes words are hard to say and hindi rin recommendable na give your thoughts to other kasi pwede ka pa rin nila i-judge or ma-misinterpret. Hindi ka rin makakapag-isip ng maayos kapag magulo yung utak mo. Try mo lang magsulat kahit 1 page lang, 1 thought, or kahit 3 sentences lang, one step closer sa version ng sarili mong mas okay. By writing down our day-to-day experience, we'll learn more about ourselves na makakatulong sa atin to think better decisions and develop healthy habits.